To feed water one out is a very good deed. People give much blessing, but if they know this is normal water, then will throw the same water. That's why use only B.Nova water purifier made by Rupali Industries, based on ultra filtration membrane technology 0.01 micron, developed by BARC Govt of India. 4-stage water purification with 15-liter storage. No electricity required, self-maintained, low maintenance, alkaline, antioxidant and antibacterial. Benefits for alkaline water: anti-aging properties via liquid antioxidants that absorb more quickly into the human body. Colon cleansing properties, immune system support, hydration, skin health and other detoxifying properties. Weight loss, cancer resistance. So bring it home today. B.Nova water purifier.